everyone, good morning. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my morning exercise, and I'll be using this spinning device. This is good for hip mobility and also for legs. And let's begin. So again, this is really good exercise, and you can buy this online. This is just very cheap, guys. It's not expensive. I bought this like 100 plus, 180. And you can hold much better, guys, no towel, just on the yoga mat. Because I feel uncomfortable with the towel. This is so easy. And as I said, you can hold on the wall if you get unbalanced. Ulitin mo lang siya. Kung mahalag kayo, titigil ka na. Sanay na kasi ako. So that is it, guys. I'll see you in the next video.